Moodle's tiny MCE text editor has a Moodle Media icon, which you can see here, which makes it very simple to display directly in line, that is, embed video or sound files. We are going to embed a YouTube video, but the process would be the same if we were to, for example, upload and display in line a recording as an MP3 file. We can embed media anywhere we see this text editor. So, for example, we could do it on the course section summary. But instead, what we're actually going to do is to add it to what Moodle calls a label, some white space which you can add anywhere on your course page. This makes the video, our YouTube video, or a sound file or your own video, display directly when you access the course. However, beware that if you do this with a lot of media files, it might make your course slower to load. So, with the editing turned on, either by clicking the button at the top right or the link in the administration block, we then click Add an activity or resource, which takes us to the activity chooser. We scroll down to Resources, because Label is a resource. And when we click to add a label, you can see that it is basically just the text editor, and we can access the Moodle Media icon by clicking Show Editing Tools. When we click the Moodle Media icon, we are then prompted to click a button, Find or Upload a sound, video or applet. And this takes us to Moodle's file picker, which we've met in a previous video. So, if we wanted to, we could click to upload a file, such as an MP3 or our own video, or we could find it in our private, recent or server files. But we're actually going to go to YouTube, which is the link at the bottom left, and this enables us to search YouTube for a video of our choice, sorting by relevance, date, rating or view count. I already know the title of the video that I want, so I'm going to type it in, and then when I click search, Moodle will go to YouTube and try to find appropriate videos. When I've chosen the one that I want, I simply click on it and select it, and it then becomes previewed so I can make sure that it's the correct video. Notice that we've done all of this without needing to understand any HTML embedding code, so this is very useful if you're not technical. This is the right video, so I click the Insert button, bottom left, to insert it into the label. Don't worry that you only see the blue link. Once we scroll down and we save and return to course, the video will appear embedded. If it doesn't, it's worth checking that you have your filters enabled, something which we will look at in a separate video. And there it is, a YouTube video embedded in the text editor of a label on our course page.